Welcome to RPR's Economic Area Search tool. To get started, click your profile photo in the upper right corner of RPR. From there, choose Association Tools and then select Economic Area. This takes you to the Economic Area Search page. You'll see two options, Federal and Local. For this example, we'll choose Local. From here, you can define your area in several ways. You can enter a zip code, city, MCD, or county. You can also select an area on the map, choose a district, or use a saved area. If you choose Select an area on the map, a geography type dropdown will appear. Here you can choose from counties, MCDs and townships, census tracts, zip codes, or census block groups. Then click on the map to build your area. When the area looks right, click Next, enter a name, and choose Save. If you choose District, you'll first select the state, then choose the geography type such as State Assembly or State Senate. After that, select the district you want and click Next. If you choose Saved Area, just select one of the previously saved areas from the dropdown and continue. From there, you'll have two options. You can choose Create a Report, which takes you into the report editor, or choose Create AI-Generated Media, which opens the scriptwriter. We have a dedicated tutorial to walk through the scriptwriter options. Choose Create a Report. A window will appear asking you to confirm the report location and enter a title. You can keep the default title or type in your own. Then click Continue. This opens the report editor. You'll start on the Cover Page tab. This is where you can customize the look of the report before you share it. You can choose the cover page image using either the map boundary or a custom image. Select View All and add your photos here. You can also choose the cover layout, including center aligned or left aligned. Below that, you can select up to 2 logos to display. You can also customize the contact information shown on the cover and add a personalized message. Next, click Customize on the left. This is where you can manage the sections inside the report. You can expand each section, reorder them, and turn individual elements on or off using the checkboxes. That gives you control over exactly what appears in the final report. Then click Custom Pages to add your own pages. As you make changes, the preview updates so you can see how the report will look. When you're finished, you can save the report, share it, or download it. And if you want to rename the report at any point, just click Edit Title. You can reference your reports anytime within the My Reports library here. That's the local economic area search flow in RPR.